1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. Price: $28,500. Location: Vermont. The 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible is a true icon of American automotive history, showcasing a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and timeless design. Finished in elegant Wimbledon white with a striking blue interior, this full-size classic immediately captures attention with its long, flowing body lines and brilliant chrome accents that reflect the golden era of 1960s motoring. The power-operated white convertible top adds both convenience and versatility, allowing you to enjoy open-air cruising on sunny days or an uncomfortable enclosed ride at the push of a button. This feature makes the Galaxie not just a showpiece, but a practical classic that can be enjoyed in various driving conditions. The heart of this Galaxie lies under the hood, where a powerful V8 engine delivers smooth and commanding performance. Enhanced with dual Holley 4-barrel carburetors, a high-rise aluminum intake manifold, and an upgraded MSD electronic ignition system, this car offers improved throttle response and reliability. It's a classic muscle feel combined with thoughtful modern upgrades. The driving experience is further elevated with performance-focused improvements, such as a high-performance aluminum radiator for better cooling and four-wheel disc brakes that provide confident stopping power. Paired with power steering, this convertible offers a surprisingly smooth and controlled ride, making it enjoyable whether you're cruising through town or taking on longer journeys. The interior reflects the premium XL trim, featuring low-back blue bucket seats, a matching rear bench, and tasteful chrome accents throughout. A full-length center console with brushed aluminum trim houses a floor-mounted shifter and practical storage, maintaining the authentic vintage atmosphere while offering everyday usability. The cabin is also equipped with comfort and convenience features such as a Kenwood audio system, Bosch gauges, an analog clock, manual crank windows, dual side mirrors, and classic vent windows. Every detail has been preserved and enhanced to deliver both nostalgia and function in one complete package. The Galaxie 500 XL played an important role in Ford's performance legacy, especially during its presence in NASCAR racing during the 1960s. Owning this car means owning a piece of that rich history, where style met speed on both the streets and the track. The 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible presented here is more than just a classic car. It is a statement of style, power, and heritage. With its refined upgrades, beautiful color combination, and strong mechanical condition, this convertible is ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience for its next owner.